Welcome to our talk about networking basics for cybersecurity. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is networking? Networking is a term used to define the act of making connections. In the context of cybersecurity, it refers to the connections between computers, routers, switches, and servers. Understanding how these devices interact is essential for securitizing them. When these devices are interconnected, this forms what we call a network. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the different types of networks. There are main two types: local area network, or LAN, and wide area network, or WAN. A LAN network is one which covers a small geographical area like your home, office, or building. On the other hand, a WAN network spans a larger area, even interconnected on a global scale. Understanding these concepts is vital for developing cybersecurity measures. The knowledge of network topologies, understanding how data is transmitted and received, lays the foundation for securing our networks. With the growing dependence on networks in everyday life, the demand for secure networks is more significant than ever. It all starts with understanding the basics of networking and how it operates. In the follow-up to this introduction, we will get into more detailed discussions about networking protocols, firewalls, VPNs, and other crucial cybersecurity measures. So stay tuned and keep learning to make your network safer.